Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Git is installed and VS Code is signed into your GitHub account. This avoids permission delays. Open the command palette and clone an existing repo or initialize a new one in your workspace. Once files are ready, use the source control pane to stage specific files, type a concise commit message, and commit. Either click commit or press Ctrl plus Enter. Doing these first steps gets you a tracked project fast, so you can iterate without wasting time on config later. Next, focus on feature flow. Create a new branch from the status bar or command palette so your work stays isolated. Once you make changes, pull the latest remote to avoid surprises. If conflicts appear, use VS Code's inline merge editor to accept or combine changes, then stage the resolved files. After committing, push the branch to GitHub with push. Once pushed, open a pull request on GitHub to review and merge. This sequence keeps history clean and collaboration smooth. To finish, merge your pull request on GitHub or fetch and merge locally, then push the merged main branch so everyone sees the update. After merging, delete the stale feature branch and pull main into your local environment to stay current. If something goes wrong, first check authentication and remote URL settings, then run git status to inspect the working tree and follow the prompts to add, commit, or stash. If conflicts persist, the merge editor and careful rebase can restore a clean history. Make sure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.